Hi, I'm Aaron Schultes, president of HiDEF Lifestyle. There is no denying that the COVID-19 virus is here and greatly affecting us all. Our store is located in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, where our Governor Tom Wolf has ordered all non-life sustaining businesses to close to the public. During this crisis, we will continue to serve our customers the best we can, which is why we remain as open as we can be. Our front doors may be locked, but you can still order via our website or by calling us at 717-914-1751. While this crisis continues, we are also offering free curbside pickup and free local delivery on orders over $50. Additionally, we are offering a 15% off coupon for our local customers with coupon HELP15. Our installation and service team is still operational and available on a case-by-case basis. They are working with businesses and customers to address their needs as much as possible. It's our commitment at HiDEF Lifestyle to help our customers and our community as much as possible during this difficult time. Thank you.